What if the employee think and feel that he is always right and think that he is better than his leader? And then the employee is not coachable. Hey everyone, Dina Shawson here. You've asked, now it's time for me to answer it. So welcome to this segment, Ask Tina Shawson. Bakit kaya mo ni-recruit yung employee na yan, ano? Pero since nandun na siya, empleyado mo na siya, I think the best way to do, and because you are the leader, you take accountability and responsibility for your people, is to provide the employee feedback in terms of openness to learning or how he or she register dun sa interaction nyo. It's also important to understand bakit ganun yung empleyado. Sometimes we come across those kinds of employees, but if we are able to understand how they feel and what exactly is their need, almost always nagkakaintindihan. What do I mean by what exactly is their need? The behavior, our behavior, you and me included, it's always grounded on may pangangailangan. Hindi siya nakikinig, lagi siyang tama. Sometimes, no, the person may need to be recognized in terms of his suggestions, no. So it's just a little pivoting on the style of the leader. Instead of just telling, your style could be soliciting information first before you render a final decision.